Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya kala premjur halor gijing kynnoh bakadon gijing pendon kam dagapor persya ik samla puli bapenlong jingiakhih Ranchi ha kabaide bat kapuli puti bat kumjuru ha kayo kam yo jam General Secretary ka BJP uba wankit bok pochna ulaong baki samla puli ki besimbenta ha kate jingiakhih kilasya punshitam ha ki pulit watla kilaiki da ka bajai jai uba wankit bok ulakam ba labu ik jingkernar ha kalenti baki yat kinongiki bat ki pulit kala pendon kam ke bom pensat kman ki suloyum bat bom lati ban penpra yaki shu uba pochna labu jingliru ya ka jingkentho jang Rahul Gandhi halor ka jingeki da ka bakno ba uni unong elam ka Congress ula shimi ki nongrim ba pher halor ki kam ke beide bit samla puli katgum ka jinglong jingman jong ka san hima sima labu jingli ya ka jing sngap jar jong Rahul Gandhi halor ka jingeki Ranchi badula ong bagi samla puli Jharkhand kila penpawe ke jing skaukia.
This conference we had called last night, right? Last night, yeah. So we thank all of you for giving us your time, and through your medium, we wanted to send a message to the people of the state from the party. And today, the Bharatiya Janata Party stands before you with a heavy heart and deep outrage. Whatever has transpired on the streets of Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand, has utterly shamed the democratic fabric and humanity of this entire nation. The sheer brutality with which the corrupt Ther government of the Congress and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has rained batons on unarmed, innocent students peacefully protesting for their rights and employment is highly unfortunate. No amount of condemnation is enough for this heinous act. The country is watching right now how the students in Jharkhand are not just fighting for the issues, but are waging a peaceful, dignified and disciplined struggle. Neither is there any use of indecent language nor any abusive words. Yet the Congress JMM government is mercilessly committing atrocities against these students. Barbed wires were laid in the path of students peacefully protesting in Ranchi as if they were terrorists. Tear gas shells were fired at them and they were chased and subjected to a barbaric lathi charge. Water cannons were also ruthlessly used against them. Furthermore, many students have even complained that the clothes of female students were torn, but why are the self-proclaimed student leaders and Rahul Gandhi, who boasts of championing students' interests, absolutely deaf to their screams? Their sole motive is 100% petty politics and to create sheer instability in the country by taking advantage of one situation or another. The Bharatiya Janata Party stands like a rock with the youth and students of Jharkhand. The Congress Party and the JMM government must immediately fulfill the demands of the students. There is also information that it was at the behest of Rahul Gandhi that the students and youth peacefully protesting against job scams and paper leaks in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand, were brutally tortured. Rahul Gandhi, you were quick to play politics over the protests at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, but why are you completely deaf to the screams of the students in Jharkhand? Where is Rahul Gandhi's sympathy now? Why doesn't Rahul Gandhi, who shows fake sympathy in Delhi, go to wipe the tears of the students in Jharkhand? Because he has absolutely nothing to do with the future of the students. He only wants to practice the politics of convenience. Where his government commits political atrocities, he adopts a stoic silence, and where he has to bake his political bread, he creates a completely fake narrative. Why such ruthless suppression of youth who are raising their voices in a democratic manner, demanding the future and their rights? Will the support for students now be decided based on sheer political convenience and hidden agendas? We strongly and unequivocally condemn the barbaric atrocities committed against the students in Jharkhand and demand that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party apologize to the youth of the nation for this hypocritical double standard, Rahul Gandhi will have to answer. We also want to ask that Rahul Gandhi, our Honorable Home Minister, is willing to answer to all the questions that has been posed before him. So please, Rahul Gandhi, do not run away and do not fear the debate. Rahul Gandhi is no longer just a failed leader today. He has become the absolute poster boy for anarchy and lies in the country. For the past 15 days, the entire country has been watching how Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly lied, spread absolute confusion and disrupted the greatest temple of democracy, our parliament. His objective is neither dialogue nor solution, but merely to spread chaos. This is exactly why is he changing his goalposts every single day. Rahul Gandhi first demanded that the education minister must resign. After that, he found a new excuse to disrupt the parliament, demanding a discussion on need in the house. Respecting democratic values, the central government not only held a discussion, but also made a law against paper leaks, which is even more stringent. After that, Rahul Gandhi started demanding that the Union Home Minister make a statement on the Jantar Mantar incident. The government made it crystal clear, let the parliament function, then only will a statement be made. But they are deliberately not allowing the parliament to function. Today, when the government made it completely clear, when the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Kiran Rijiju, and Union Minister, Shri Piyush Goyal, clearly stated that the Honourable Home Minister will answer every single question in the House, a panicked Rahul Gandhi changed his goalpost yet again. Holding a press conference yesterday, the August 10th, Rahul Gandhi pulled out yet another blatant lie from his factory of falsehoods, claiming that bullets were fired at Jantar Mantar, when no bullets were fired at all. What does this even mean? Not a single bullet was fired at Jantar Mantar. Rahul Gandhi, stop lying. The reality is that Rahul Gandhi does not want the Honourable Home Minister to answer in the House at all. He is terrified that if a debate takes place and the Home Minister presents all the facts, Rahul Gandhi's entire web of lies and deceit will completely shatter. We issue a direct and open challenge to Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi ji, the Honourable Home Minister is coming to answer every single one of your questions. Do not run away from the battlefield now. Do not fear for the debate. The youth of this country have now seen right through the two-faced character of the Congress. Rahul Gandhi's politics, built entirely on the foundation of lies, is going to fall flat on its face very soon. Thank you.